something wrong with me? I think something's wrong with me. So I decided that I wanted to start using other products outside of the professional line that I use inside my salon on myself. So I'm going to be testing it out to show you guys. This week we're going to be having a chat around something a little bit lighter. Something maybe you guys would not probably expect, but we're going to be chatting around me taking care of my natural hair. Maybe you might want to try it, maybe not, but I'll do the try and figure. Hey, it's your girl Donna Prescott here with you, CEO and founder of Donna Prescott inside our salon in the Crown Heights area, Brooklyn, New York, guys. And I'm here this week to chat all about a new hobby that I'm developing. Do you guys want to know what it is? Lately, I've been having a lot of extra time, so I started going into different stores where it first started as window shopping, and then it started as going on TikTok, going down a rabbit hole, seeing what everybody else was doing, and getting influenced to go into some of those stores to buy some stuff. So anyway, I have been going into the Dollar Tree store. Well, now it's the $1.25 store, the $3, $5, $10. Like, it's so crazy. It's not no longer just $1. There's different things in there that cost different prices. But man, some of the things are so cool, and it doesn't feel like, you know, cheap anymore. You know, when you used to go to the 99-cent store, you used to feel like, oh, it's just cheap stuff, and some stuff really looks cheap. Now it's like quality goes into the dollar store, and there are so many dupes for so many things within the dollar store. Anyway, I found some beauty products in the dollar store that I wanted to test for you guys. So this week, we're going to be taking care of my natural hair. So of course, primarily I wear wigs because we have our hair collection line. We sell hair extensions and we sell luxury wigs. And I primarily wear wigs. Oh, that was like a tongue twister. I almost bit my tongue. But I have to care for my natural hair under this wig, right? And I always teach healthy hair first. So I have a routine that I do for myself. So depending on what I'm doing, if I'm very active, if I'm working out and I sweat a lot, I would shampoo and condition my hair weekly. If I'm not very active, then I would have a every 2-week routine, wash, treatments, and I get my treatments every 3 months, okay? I'm very consistent. Anyway, I feel like I went a little bit over, so don't judge my hair. I am going to be using these products that I found in the dollar store on my head, and we're going to test it together. So let me show you the products that I got. So I got Kearney, which is a brand name, okay? You find this in Sally's and like expensive stores, but it was in the Dollar Tree. I found the shampoo and the conditioner, okay? We're gonna use these to wash my hair. I found a hair mask. It's by Roots to End. Oh my God, I can't wait to try this. So after we do our shampoo and conditioner, we're gonna do a treatment, okay? I have a heat protectant that I found for when I'm blow drying my hair. We have a detangler, which I'm gonna use to take down my messy braids right now. We have a rice water, and we have a rosemary water that's both containing biotin in them. We have a serum for split ends, and we have just a hair serum, right? I'm also gonna be using this curl cream that I found for me to define my curls. So we're gonna do it like a wash and go style. I'm not gonna like blow dry my hair and braid it down to put my wig back on, but I'll just show you guys how my natural hair looks with curls. And we have some oil, which is supposed to be like a dupe for Olaplex Bond oil. I've been using a few of the products already, which I love, but today I'm doing it on myself so we can be the judge of it. So let's get into this. So guys, I'm showing y'all the real, all right? So I'm gonna take my unit off. This has to get washed by itself, and don't worry about this line. It's my wig tan line, okay? So I went on vacation and my face got tan, and where my wig sat did not tan, but it's getting better because my complexion is kind of evening out for the winter. So if you see the two different colors, that's what that is. All right, so my braids are kind of old, and my hair feels pretty dry right now. So what I'm gonna do is take my braids down, and I'm gonna use this. It's called Tear Free Spray On Detangler. So, oh, it's tear free. Like, even if it goes in your eye, we should test it out. Nah, don't do that. Don't do that. All right, so I'm going to start like taking my hair down, and then I'm going to use the detangler spray to help it soften it up a bit so I can detangle my hair. So that's what we're going to do now. All right, so now that I have all my hair loose, I'm going to use a spray so that I can detangle my hair. And we're going to do sections, okay? So I'm going to section out this side of my hair and put it away. And then we're going to detangle this side first. So, it smells good. Let's see. Ooh. smooth and seamless. I really like. This really is detangling really well. My hair is fully detangled. Now we're gonna go to the shampoo bowl, and I'm gonna be using that Kearney's shampoo and conditioner. So first we're gonna shampoo and conditioner, and then I'll use the hair mask for treatment. So I completely have no issue with being my own hairstylist, okay? But every hairstylist needs a hairstylist, okay? I do have a personal one that I go to every 2 weeks to shampoo and condition and break down my hair. But for today's video, we're just gonna do what we gotta do. So now it's time for me to put the treatment in, and I'm gonna do a steam treatment. I love steam treatments, okay? If you did not know, the steam treatments are the best. Using steam to treat your hair, like whatever product that you're using, is going to do the most that the product could do, okay? Because the steam opens up the scalp and the circulation happens, so it's deeply penetrated. And whatever your conditioner or treatment says that it's going to do, if it's to strengthen the strands, it's going to go deep into the strands, help the scalp, the split ends, whatever the case may be. The steam helps it go deeper, okay? It helps with circulation, it helps with frizz, it's just healthy overall. So I love doing steam treatments on myself. So we're going to get into this hair mask. Normally I would section my hair out, but listen, we're just gonna try to get it in as best as we can. I'll do half and half. And I'm mostly putting it towards the strands. Although this says roots to ends, so that's the whole strand. But yeah, so that should be good. My hair isn't just soft, okay? Like my hair tangles and it does things, but for some reason, the product is really softening up my hair a little bit, and I haven't even sat under the steamers yet. This is, like, I haven't cried one time today from doing my hair, and I'm always like, hurting my own self. Listen, I'm loving this already. All right, so your girl's gonna sit back for 30 minutes under the steamer, okay? Have a little wine, listen to her thoughts, and get her treatment on. All right, I'll catch you at the end of the treatment. So guys, let's talk about the products that I just used. Listen, my hair smells good. It feels good. It feels clean. My scalp is clean. I'm happy. I really loved what the products did, okay? So yes, it's my first time using this product, testing it out. We did it's called the Scalp Nourishing Shampoo. And it curls defining. It enhances your curls as well. It's anti-frizz in there, and curl soothing, cleansing, and prevents dryness. With that, I don't feel like my hair is dry for real, so it felt like it was hydrating. So I gave myself 2 shampoos with this, and then I didn't go to the conditioner. What I did was I got my steam treatment with the roots to ends. I just applied it on the strands from the roots to the ends, not my scalp, and I ran my hand through it. This says that it restores and replenishes hair to reveal the rejuvenated, refreshed strands and refreshed strands I have. So I did my steam treatment for 30 minutes with this in here. Then I rinsed out this mask, and then I still conditioned. So I followed up with a conditioner. And this one says volumizing keratin conditioner. Okay, it decreases breakage, it seals split ends, control frizz, it's lightweight, and it has a volumizing formula in there. And note, deep hydration for dry hair. So 1,000 out of 10. Okay, I would pick these products. But what I'm gonna do is I will use it for my shampoos, my next set of shampoos every 2 weeks. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to defining the little curly pattern that I have. Okay, I have a product that defines curls. We're going to use that to add to my hair strands, and let's see how the curls come out. So this is the curl cream. It's made by Be Pure. It has shea butter and coconut oil. I'm going to use a little bit of it. I'm not really a very heavy product type of girl, and I'll probably use some foam, like setting foam with my hair. That will be the only product that I use outside of the Dollar Tree products that we've been using. So we're going to use this to define. And these two products, it says split end fixer and hair serum. Okay, so I'm going to do maybe 4 pumps, emulsify it through my hands, and get the ends of my hair on one side. Okay, and the ends. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 pumps again. Same thing. Next side of my hair on the ends. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the hair serum. 2, 3, 4. And this one I'm going to put it all throughout the hair. Ooh, this has a pleasant smell. I'm not so liking the smell on this, but it's supposed to smooth dry damaged hair, and this one is supposed to help repair damaged split ends. And we're not going to forget the rice water, which we're going to just, okay, I gotta get this bottle open. How do we open this bottle? So I just learned how to open the bottle. It locks. When they lock it, you can't spray. Unlock it. Woo! Look at that. Pump spray. Yeah. So we're gonna just get the rice water, and I'm going to do my hair in sections. Okay. So we're gonna start with this half first. So I'll put this other half away, and I'm gonna break this side into 2 parts. So we'll do the back first. Like I said, guys, less is more. So I'm going to do a little bit of product, run through my hands, and add it to my hair. I may look like I have a lot of hair, but guys, it's really not a lot. And then I'm going to get my Denman brush to brush the hair so the curls could pop out. There you go. I'm going to do the same thing to the front part of my hair. A little bit, run it through my hands, because we're not putting globs of product stacked on the hair. We want this to really move throughout the hair. And then I'm going to start from ends of the hair and work my way up. Ooh. The curls are forming. And I'm going to do the same thing on the next side. So guys, oh my goodness. Who would believe like the dollar store products did this? So I'm going to air dry my hair, and I'll show you guys how it looks when it's dried. And when it's dry, we just have 2 more products I think that we're going to use. Even though I said I'm not like a big product person, all the products are pretty much light. It doesn't feel heavy and weighed down on my hair. And I love what it did, and my hair smells amazing. Oh, the curl cream smells like coconut. That smells like a coconut. If you don't like coconut, okay, so then that might not be for you, but I don't mind, and it just smells good. So I feel like my curls were defined, and it just needs to air dry. I'm loving this wash and go. Let's just see how it dries out. Let's chat a little bit while my hair is air drying. So would you go to the dollar store to get products to use on your hair? And I'm not saying that these are the products that I'm going to use in my salon for clients. I do use professional products. If a client brings me their product, as well, I would, you know, review it and see if it was something that I had an issue with using or not. So yeah, give me your feedback, guys, and let me know, like, how do you feel about using the dollar store products? Because some of the girlies, listen, right now, the times that we in, like, we're on a budget, okay? Because the finances is financing, okay? So if you would find something that's high quality but in the dollar store, would you use it? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you all the products that I used again, and you guys can check it out and try it for yourself and let me know what you think about all the products, okay? So I air dried my hair without disturbing the curls. That's the most important thing when you're dealing with curly hair, okay? I'm going to now use the hair oil. Just a few drops. A little bit. Rub it through my hands and just kind of get it in the hair. Now, I don't want my hair to look like this. I want it like a big afro. So what I'll do is use my Dollar Tree peak. That's what they call it, right? And fluff out the hair in the roots. Yes, hair. Hair looks cute. I'm actually feeling these curls. Yes, products. So guys, these are all the products that I used today. We'll get a closer look in a few minutes, and this is my final look. I used the heat protectant while I was air drying my hair, so I just spritz a little bit up, but not very necessary in the curl defining process because I'm not really using any heat per se. But this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you like my afro? Do you like my curls? Yeah, leave your comments below and let me know. Let's talk about it. So this week's episode is sponsored by no other than the wig of the week. And up this week is Jade. This is our Jade unit. She is a curly unit with a bob. She has soft plush curls. So you guys could check her out. She's great for the fall and winter months. Isn't she pretty? Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me this week. I know this was a little bit different, and I want to know if you guys like this type of content because I want to bring you some different things. You know, we don't have to be talking about like serious things all the time or like story time all the time. Like, I want to bring you different things, and I need some ideas, guys, okay? I love you guys. Thank you for joining me week after week. Thank you to my OG DP Beauties. Thank you for always coming in here every single Friday. And for my new subscribers, I see you. We're getting to that 1,000 subscribers, so I can't wait. But guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I know it's asking for a lot, but it really helps my content get out there and it helps me grow. So I'll see you next week. Bye.